Well, I don't know if anybody's ever noticed, but over the years, Buddy's done a lot of fun things and he's got a little bit banged up. So I decided to mail him to Santa's workshop to get fixed. And I made a card for Santa with a note inside so that Santa knows what we need for him. So it says, "Dear Santa, please help us restore Buddy." So it says, he is a little dirty from having so much fun. So you see all that dirt? He also has a boo-boo on his leg from fireworks from the 4th of July. So where is that boo-boo? His hand's covering it up. Don't worry, he's gonna be fixed from the North Pole. So it looked like glitter came out of him right there, and then there's still that mark from the fireworks. So we needed that fixed as well. And then it says he has a cut on his collar. So there's the cut. He was doing crafts one time, and I think that's how that happened. And he's even missing his tag from 2005. So see here, this was where the tag was. Let me get a close up. Yeah, right there. Please help and send him back the Spirella family. Love, Meebles, and the Spirella family. That's you guys. XOXO. So I have the box right here, and I am just going to put Buddy inside here. And then I am going to tape him shut. And I'm going to drop him off in the mailbox. So hopefully in a little while, maybe Santa's workshop can restore him. A little while ago, I sent a note along with Buddy to the North Pole to give to Santa. And I opened up my door this morning to go for a walk, and this arrived on my doorstep. And there was a note right inside there. I did not open it up yet because I wanted to wait for the Spirella family to open it to see what magic is inside. So this is what I have in the mail. Buddy has been restored. You may remove him and only touch him one time. He is forever happy. Love, Santa Claus. So let's see if Buddy is inside this box or not. I just thought it was such a unique piece. I don't know if the elves build it or if Santa Claus built it. And as you can see, there's like chains on it and stuff. And look, it's like little lions. Buddy, knock knock, are you in there? I don't know. Comment down below if you think Buddy's gonna be inside this box. Okay. Let's open it up. Oh, I see glitter. Do you see that glitter? Oh, it's red. I wonder if the North Pole is red like this. Okay. So here is what I see. What is this? Is that Buddy? Has he been restored? Okay. Now remember, Santa said I could touch him one time. Whoa, there's so much glitter. Wow. Buddy, I think he's been restored back to life. Let's see. Oh, look. He even has his original tags on him. I can't believe it. Let's see if the boo-boo from the fireworks back on the 4th of July is gone. It's been fixed. He's restored. He looks like a brand new elf on the shelf. Wow, Buddy, I can't believe it. Well, if you like this video and you're so happy Buddy is back and restored all of his magical powers, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Become a member of the Spirella family where you can see more crazy and silly things my elves on the shelf do. Well, as always, I love my elves on the shelf. Thanks so much for watching.